Hi everybody, a very good morning to you all, and I welcome back to the Max session 24. Since we have completed still exercise 6.3, today we are going to start the exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4. In 6.3 we have done the finding the square root of the values by the prime factorization method. Now in this exercise we are going to find out the value, the same square root value only we are going to find out, but by the long division method. Already you all know that what is a division, how we have to divide. When the one number they are giving immediately, okay, 250 they are giving divided by 5, then immediately you will divide by 5, 5 is 25, then balance 0. Since we are taking the next 0 over there, we can give the value. Then quotient is equal to 50. Remainder is equal to 0. This is already we all know that this is the division method, this is the one. So by like this, now we are going to divide and find out the square root values. Here we are going to find out the square root values. Okay. And in this they are given the one first question. There is 2, 3, 0, 4. This is the first question they are given. 2, 3, 0, 4 they are given the first question. Whenever we are having the number, what we will do? If for the Indian method, if the rupees we are going to calculate by the Indian method, then we will say that ones, tens, hundreds like that. Same like that in the root values, when we are going to do that, first we have to, from the last digit, from the final digit, from here, two numbers once we have to make the bar value. Two numbers once we have to make the bar value like this, we have to make the bar. Then only we can go for the long division method. Method. Why we are doing like this, that I will explain you now. Okay, that I will explain you now during the sums. So first we are going to do the long division method for the first question. 2, 3, 0, 4. Okay, first now we are going to sum. First one, what is the number? For the both the bar value we have to take it. In the bar value, what is the number is there? 23. What is the number is there? 23. Within the 23, what is the full square is there? We have to find out. Within the 23, what is the full square is there? 2 2s are means we will take that 4, right? Then 3 3s are means 9. 4 4s are 16. Okay, 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. But that is exceeds this one. That is exceeds the 23. So what is the previous number we have taken? 4 4s are 23. So we can take 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Then what is the number? Then what is the number balance? When we subtract, what we will get next? 7. Now normal division, what we will do? We will take it down only one number, right? We will take it down only one number, but here we have to take, since we have the bar value, we have to take the full number downside, that is 0 4. 0 4. Understood? Since we have taken in this 23, what is the square value that we know that already? 4 4s are 24. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are means automatically become 25, so it is exceeds 23, so we are giving 4 4s are 16. Then we have taken the value, that what is the balance? 7 0 4. Next we have, what is the bar value is there? Totally we have to take it out. We have to take it down, everything. Okay, so 7 0 4. Now after finding this here, okay, chapter over, we have solved the first step. Next step, here what we are having? 4. Here what we are having? 4. This number you have to multiply by 2 and write the one more value. Multiply by 2. What will you get? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now here we are going to substitute one value. That value should be multiplied by this number, this whole number. The next number should get. Here we have to get 704 is the 704 we have to get. For to get that value, which number is needed? Listen, already which number is here? This you no need to worry about that. What is the divider? We have multiplied by the 2. What is the divider? We have multiplied by the 2. That number is 8. So here we are going to put some number. Okay, and here also we are going to substitute some number. When we are substituting these two values, we must get the number 4. 704. Always you think one more thing. whenever we are ending with the numbers, square numbers, you all know that, right? Square numbers ending with 4, which are the square numbers are there? When we do 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 is coming, no problem. Then next number is 4 4s are 16 is coming, so there is no possibility over there. Then 5 5s are 25, no possibility. 6 6s are 36, no possibility. 7 7s are 49, no possibility. 8 8s are 64. There is the option. There is a option of finishing with 4. There is a option of finishing with 4. So with this 8, okay, you multiply 8 8. With this 8, you multiply by 8 8. Here that one more digit we have to substitute the 8. Then we multiply this. What is coming? 8 8s are 24. 4 balance 2. 8 8s are. Is a 64, balance 6, sorry, balance 6, 8 8 are 64, so 70. Okay, very good. Answer we got 704 is coming. So we substitute the value 8 8 704, then we get the 0. So we can say that root of 2304 is equal to 48. Root of 2304 is equal to 48. Once again I am telling you, just listen. Whenever the value is given, immediately you have to take the bar values. Immediately you have to take the bar values from the right hand side. That is, we have taken, that is by 2 numbers. So we have taken according to that the 2 numbers. There is a 2304. 2304. For the 23, which is a square number, is that we have taken, that is 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, balance 7. In the normal division we will take only one term, but here what is the bar value is that totally we have to take it out 704k. After that, here what is the divider is that we have to multiply by 2, that we are getting 8. That we are getting 8. After putting here 8, we are going to substitute one more number here. The same number should be multiplied. We have to get the value. So according to that, we have multiplied and we got the value 48. We got the value 48. Okay. Now go for the next second question. So somehow second question, third question goes, then you will automatically understand one. Automatically you will understand, because very easy. First sum maybe you look like quite difficult. Then when you go for the next sums, then you will understand. Oh, this much very easy one. Like that you will say that. The second question is 4489. Second one is 4489. So ending numbers we have taken like that. Then do the long division method. 4489. Okay, 4489. First, in 44. Before the 44, what is the number is there? When we calculate 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are, so 6 6s are 36. So we can take 6 6s are 36. What is the balance number? Here 4, therefore 8. Then we have to take the total number 889. So afterwards, here we have to multiply by 2, then we are getting 1 2. Multiply by 2, 12. Now to get the value at last number should be 9. Last number should be 9. Which are the terms are there? You have to think. Okay. First we will take a 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. But when we put 3 here, you try 123 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 3. Only 369 is coming. Only 369 is coming. But we need to get 889. We need to get 889. Any other number? Which number? After 3, 4, no wise. 5, no chance. 6, no chance. 7, 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. So we will substitute that value also. 1, 2, 7, 7. 7 7s are 49. Balance 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4, 8. 1, 8. So 7. It is working out in the 7. So 127, 7, which is equal to 889, which is coming 0. So we can give, what is the question over there? 4489, root value is equal to 67. If you have the doubt whether you are not getting the correct value or not, you can check by the division method, normal, that is prime factorization method also you can try. You will get the same value only. Okay, understood now the two questions. Now let's go for the third one. Third question, that is 3481. question is 3481, right? 3400. Here also we can do the bar value like this. Then you can go for the long division method. Now you all have understood very properly. Now in 34, which other number is there? 6 6 the 36 is coming, so we have to take the previous number, that is 5 5s are 25. Balance here 5 9 8 1. So here multiply by 2 10. So ending with 1, which is the numbers are there? Ending with 1, which is the numbers are there? Hope so. Ending with 1, only 1 is there. 101 into 101, 1 only we will get. And other than that, we are getting in the 9 9s are 81. So of course, when we multiply easily, you can find out 109 into 9, 9 9s are 80. Sorry, 9 9s are 81, 1 9s are 9. Okay, that is 9 9. That is 981. 0. So we can take that 3481 is equal to 3481 is equal to 59. If you have a doubt, you can solve it. You can solve it very, very easy on this one. Okay. And main thing is here the taking the bar value from the last value, from the right hand side. That is very, very important. Now let's go for the fourth question. What is the fourth question over there? 529. Okay, I also accept 529. I also waiting for this number only. Afterwards you will ask, sir, here we are having only 3 digits. How we are going to do? How we are going to do? Here also same. You have to come from the right hand side. That's all. From the right hand side you take, that is 29 only. For the 29 only the bar value will come. Now you go for the long division method. That is 529 in the long division method. For only the number is first 5 is there. For 5 in 5, what is the overall? We all know that already. 2 2s are 4. Then balance 1. Then take the 29 downside. When we are multiplying here by 2, we will get the value 4. After 4, we have to put one number. The number should be 9. That is 3 also we can try. That is 43 into 3. 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 is the total. Okay. 43 into 3 is equal to 129. So we can give the value 529 root value is equal to 23. Only the portion we have to write. Only the portion we have to write. Understood, students? Now next question number 5. Question number 5. $3,249. Sorry, 3,249. 3,249. This number also we are doing the same long division method. Before that, just to take the bar. 3,249. Taking the first number, 5 5s are 25. 7 4 9. 7 4 9. When we are multiplying this one by 2, we will get 10. Ending number 49, which is finishing, means compulsory 7 will be there. So 107 into 7, that is 749. So 0. So we can give the value 3249 root value is equal to 57. 3249 root value is equal to 57. Okay. Next. Question number 6. 1369. Question number 6, 1369. So when we are taking 1369, in this what will come? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Then balance 4 6 9. So when we are taking this multiply by 2, we will get 6. So 6 when we are multiplying, we need to get 9. Of course, when we are trying with 3, 63, 60 into 3 is around 180 only will come. So next 9 ending means we know that is 7. So 67 into 7 we will try 49, balance 4. 42, 42, 42, 4, 42, 4, 46. So 7. So 1369 root value is equal to 37. Root value is equal to 37. Understood, students? Like this, you complete all the sums. When I am doing for all the sums, what is the use? So continue the sums, and there is a total 12 sums are there. So balance you can complete it. Continue and complete it as a homework. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Continue and complete as a homework. Now, Second question. First question, 64. Here they are given the heading there for the second question. Find the number of digits without calculation. Find the number of digits. That we have to find out the square root digits. That is the square root digits we have to find out. If the given number 64, we should not do the calculation, but we have to say what will be the digit. What will be the square root value. What will be the square root value. Here only we are going to use one small method. Same thing what we have done in the previous one. What I told, whenever we are going to do the square root value, we have to do the bar value from the right hand side. We have to do the bar value from the right hand side for the two number I told you to do. If they given there over only how much bar numbers we are getting, according to that the value will be there. According to that the value will be there. So here you see what will be the vertex here. What will be the vertex here? That means the bar value, how many it's happened here? Only one. Only one. Since the bar value is equal to 1. If the bar value is equal to 1, then the value is the same thing. Then the value is the same thing. By this, here we got the number 64. Here we got the number 64 we got. So here in 64, how many bar values we have drawn? That is only one bar value we have drawn here. So, since only one bar is there, so we can say that the square root of 64 will be only one digit. The square root of 64 will be compulsory, it will be in the only one digit. Only one digit. If you have the doubt also, you can just clarify, that is 64 means 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64. Only one digit. Only one digit. This you don't need to do. Just I have given for your verification. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Same way, the given number next value. The given number next value, that is 144. 144. When we are doing the value, what will come? 1, 2. Since how many bars are there? Here only 2 bars. Since 2 bars. Since 2 bars, so 2 digits will be there. So 2 digit. This one also you can clarify. 12 into 12 is equal to 144. See, the given number is 2 digit. 1, 2. 1, 2. There is a 2 digit value is there. Like that, there is a balance sums also same like that only. Third one also 44, 89. Third one also 44, 89. If you do this, already we have solved also in the previous upside also we have solved this one. How much we have got the 2 bars. Since 2 bars, 2 digits. 2 digits. Same like that. Next one they have given that 27,225. 27,225. When we make the bar, this will come. So we can say that since 3 bars are there, 3 digits. Okay, like that we can complete it. Like that we can complete the balance sums also, you do it. The balance sums also do it and you complete it. Okay, the first and second, the homework first I have given the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 I have given you as a homework. Here also there is a 3 sums I have done, another 3 sums, there is a homework. Just according to that you can easily do it. So complete it. We will continue in the next session. Take care. Bye.